Hi everybody, I'd like to introduce you all to my new, very old 2005 525 EXC, obviously made by KTM, as you can tell by the orangeness. I got this bike for $2,200 even, and there are a few out there on the marketplace in better condition, but a fair amount more. Um, This one came with the plate already, which is nice. Don't have to go through that rigmarole. Um, when I went to look at it, it actually had a leak, oil leak. You can kind of see it still, a little leaky, but that kind of has rectified itself. I pulled it down and reclamped it. The forks are very crooked in the triple clamp right now, and or the handlebars are also crooked. Luckily, the speedometer, odometer work perfectly, which is cool. The key only turns on the lights. It does not affect the ignition, so anybody could just start it anytime they want to. So that's great. Um, as far as things that I'm going to rectify today, I'm going to put on new handlebars, grips, pretty much everything in the controls. I'm going to swap out just in case it's the handlebars that are crooked. I will loosen up the clamps, fork clamps, and try to rectify the crookedness of the front end. I took it for a ride yesterday with my daughters up in the mountains just for a kind of a shakedown run. Everything worked perfectly. Supposedly the owner before me did a top end on it 40 hours ago. You know, whether I believe that or not, I don't know, because a lot of people seem to say those things and it's not necessarily true. So it does run really well. It sounds really good. Starts first stab at the ignition. And so I'm going to go ahead and try to believe him. It's got a nice O-ring chain on it. Sprockets are good to go. I don't need to swap those out. I don't know what kind of tubes are in the tires. I'm hoping they're heavy duty. I don't know. I'm going to have to swap them out, make sure that they are. I'll probably wait till the first tire change on that, however. So, well, let's see if we can get it started here for you. We should be able to. A little choke, and it is in neutral. I'll never know. Should be, because I rolled it here. So let's go ahead and start it. So that's choke. Sounds pretty good. Little backfire there. So I like to have the idle a little high on these older style engines. Right now, it'll actually, as it warms up, the idle gets higher. So that's it. I've named it Brutus, and we will go ahead and I'll fill you guys in as the work continues to bring this guy up and give him a little love. So hope you all are doing well. Take care.